Hey, we're Vagari and we live on this floating home, a barge that was once used for the Grand Union Canal as a steam dredger in the 1900s. It used to be just the two of us, and Barley of course, our adventure-loving dog. But in November 2025, we gained a new crew member, Captain Jack, and he has stolen our hearts and living his best life on the water. I've made some friends with a resident cow, and nature around us is absolutely amazing. So come along for the ride, subscribe and join our little crew. It's been a wild adventure so far, and we're only just getting started. Right, hello everybody. Welcome back to Vagari. This is a proof of life video because we have been missing, and a lot of you have noticed that we have disappeared off the radar. It has been 2-ish months.
Yeah, 2.5 months.
Yes, and for good reason, and we'll get to that at the end of this video. Yeah. But we have been busy, super busy.
Like a lot has happened since the last time you saw us, which was in Australia.
Mm-hmm. That was the last time you saw us, and we weren't sure. Our audience reacted a little bit on the tougher side. Nobody wanted to see our holiday videos, so we didn't make any. And everybody's just interested in the boat. However, going forward, we've made the decision to just do whatever we want to do.
And we're just going to share it with you guys.
And we're going to share it with everyone.
As we can. So hopefully
whatever,
we won't have any breaks.
Yes, whatever we do going forward, we're going to share it all with you. Whether you love it or hate it, we will be making a video.
So yeah, to the stuff we've been busy with.
Yes. Here's what's happened on the barge so far. Howdy hi, dear Vagari subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking with us. I know it's been a long month that we haven't posted. For good reason, because the comments didn't want to see us on holiday. They wanted to see us on the boat. So I stopped making videos because I've been on holiday. So here we go. We're going to get into dear Vagari boat renovations because we have all of our stuff together and we are getting stuff done. We are back at work, hard at work, and as you can see the boat is an absolute mess, which means we are actually doing some stuff again. And we have some tiles, we have some wood, and we have our flooring arriving, and we're just getting small bits and bobs done. So today, hopefully, fingers crossed, I will have some sort of tile on the wall in the kitchen, and Christopher will have the windows sort of done. Right, so this is the beautiful green tile that I have chosen. It's forest green. It's a Subway tile. And originally I wanted to go with this, but who are we kidding? I'm not paying £18 for one tile when I can pay £18 for a whole box. So that's getting chucked in the bin, and these are going on the wall. So today I'm either going to do this way or this way. I'm undecided yet, but this whole wall will be full of tiles. Around the window will be full of tiles. Around that window will be full of tiles. So yes, lots to do today. In amongst while Mr. Jack is sleeping, hopefully. Because he watched me right now. He's like, Mum, what are you saying? What are you saying? Anyway, he has to go for his snooze, so I'm going to get started on that. Christopher's been a very busy bee. He has been putting in our window frames. So they are not complete yet, but he has started them. Basically gone for the solid square because it's easy, it's simple, and it gets the job done. It looks amazing. So it's a very busy day. I'm going to stop talking because we actually need to get stuff done. So yes. So we've done some tiling, we've done the flooring, we've finished a few bits and bobs.
I've finally got the kitchen counter secured, yes. And I've built the parcel shelf behind. a few odds and ends, worked on the battery system a little bit, put in a new inverter. So yeah,
We've been busy.
There's been a lot happening.
Right here, so Christopher has left me to go and get all the wood like we said he would this morning. And Mr. Jack does not want to sleep. Because he's like, what's going on, Mom? What are you doing? Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to try and multitask and get some tiles on the wall. I've sort of figured out where it's going to start. And I've decided to start on the cooker side because it's easier and I have all of that mess that I don't want to move at the moment because I'm feeling lazy. But I thought this side was the easier side to start on, so I'm just finding out where the tiles are going to sit because I don't have my tile spaces yet. So I'm going to get started on the first row, and then once Christopher's back I can then move my way up, but at least I can get started on that. So yes, multitasking. Hey, Mr. Jack? Yeah. Right, boys and girls, let's skip to 2 days later.
And because it's so hard, honestly, we can't even get a minute with Jack.
Okay, anyway, what has happened is I was recording, you know, getting all excited about my tiling, and then realized that my camera wasn't working on my phone. So here we are.
It's pushed ahead.
It's pushed ahead. I have got tiles in the kitchen. I know it's not a very clear picture for you guys, but I will show you a close-up. And it is 7 o'clock at night as we speak. Jack has just gone down to sleep. And we are being super brave about this next situation.
We should be taking a moment to be sleeping because Jack's been hectic the last few days. But we're going to take this opportunity to put down the floor. Like, our floor has arrived finally this afternoon at 5 o'clock. And we're like, that boat is a complete mess. But we're like, hey, let's just crack on.
Also, to throw a spanner in the works, it's not the hard floor that we wanted. Or
It's not.
LVT.
But we do have a sturdy base underneath here. And we do have underfloor heating, and we do have underlay. So
what we've decided is to just go straight for the sheet vinyl. So it is one swoop through the boat.
it's budget friendly at the moment.
Yes.
And we'll upgrade at a later point. But we just got to the point where we just need a good floor.
We can't be doing these carpets anymore. They are
Yeah,
horrible.
They're just sturdy. That is not good. Boating and carpets are not good.
They don't go hand in hand. But it has protected the floor a lot, which is what we intended to do with them. Anyway, yes. 2 days later, like I said, and here we are. Basically, this is all the tiling we've done so far. It looks pretty cool. We haven't done any grouting, and we haven't finished off that section over there, and we haven't got to this section here yet. I finished here today. So yes, this whole side is done. This side just needs to be grouted, and then our back pieces for the kitchen to be put in as a shelf to cover the gap. But yes, enough about that.
That's a job for tomorrow.
It's another job for tomorrow.
What's happening, babe? Quick.
Quickly putting down the floor.
Peter's giving us a hand. Thank you, Peter.
Well, I'm not doing much.
We're having extra hands, which actually helps.
2 hands with this kind of floor.
Extra hands, and we need it. And we're doing a full-on piece, so it's one cut, and if I make a mistake,
That's ruined.
it's ruined. So, fingers crossed.
What do you think? Supervision? Is it to quality control? What? Don't fall over yourself about it. Barley, is it all good?
Army hearties.
How's it going, babe?
I'm just in the floor by myself here.
Yeah,
No, I'm joking.
that's what's happening. Peter and I are relaxing.
Yeah, just chilling.
Someone's got to do the babysitting.
Watching from a distance. Now I'm just cutting in all the corners now, and then we can lift this back up and glue this portion down. And the UK has been going through quite the heat wave. Obviously we are loving the sun, but it's been hot. It's been really, really hot. My, oh my, oh my, is it hot out here. Last 2 days have been absolutely fabulous, and we have a swimmer on our hands over here. As soon as Christopher gets in the water, Barley wants to get in the water, so he's got a little spot that he gets in. There he goes.
Come on.
And he cools down at the same time. Nice and cool?
Yeah.
Good.
Jump in. It's lovely.
No, thank you. I'm fine.
Look, it's clear. Everything.
No, thank you. I'm fine. If there's one thing that I don't like is when I can't see the bottom, and then I freak out. So I shan't be swimming in any river because I can't see the bottom, and I just hate stuff between my toes. So no, thank you. We've been braaiing every day, basically.
Yeah, we've been embracing the summer with friends, having braais, barbecues. The whole boat life community came together. We'll share some pics of that.
Yeah, and I've made friends with a cow. I have a regular cow that comes to visit me now. Look how she comes now. Oh, hey, such a good girl. She's like, where's the food at?
Yeah, 786.
789.
789. Sorry.
See, it's my
I
cow,
always
not his
forget her
cow.
name.
Anyway, she's a regular cow and she comes to visit me every
And by the
day.
way, somebody has learned how to call.
Yes. Look at this.
Go on, go see.
Hi.
You donut.
So we've been dealing with a crawler as well. He's been in and out of everything and going everywhere. So it's been fun and challenging at the same time.
It's been quite the journey to this point, and it's been a hell of a ride, but we're going to end off this video going full circle, but we're going to tell you guys about it on the next episode.
That we are.
So big news.
Things are...
Big news, but exciting.
You're going to have to wait.
Yeah, it's exciting for the channel, and we can't wait to share it with you guys.